What's the meaning of communicative language teaching? Communicative language teaching. Communicative language teaching.
Communicative language teaching. Communicative language teaching. Communicative language teaching, CLT, is an approach to language education that prioritizes the development of students' communicative competence. This approach emphasizes the use of authentic, meaningful communication in the language being learned, rather than rote memorization of grammar rules or vocabulary lists. The goal of CLT is to enable learners to use the target language in real-world situations, with a focus on fluency and accuracy. By promoting communication as the primary goal of language learning, CLT aims to develop learners who are confident and effective communicators in their target language.